Today I will show you the correct way of making eyelashes. Above is the wrong way. Usually children do these type of mistakes in their videos or in their work. Now I will tell you the correct way. This is the correct way. First you have to make U-like shape above, then we will extend it above. We will extend it and make eyelashes. These eyelashes gives realistic look to our eyes we make. It looks like real eyelashes. Follow for more such updates.